Hwedhel, I'm going to read you a story called Patrick han Pisky Kernewek, Patrick and the Cornish Pisky. So Patrick and his grandparents decide to have a picnic at the top of Cambrai. Patrick likes Cambrai. And so off they go with their saffron cake and their pasties and the dog. And Patrick finds in a little dark hole a Cornish Pisky, who's been trapped by Bolster, the giant of Cambrai, because he'd been rude about the elephant rock. Well, Patrick wasn't really very good at getting into little holes, and so the Pisky, with his magic, makes him smaller, and in he gets. Luckily, he's got some saffron cake, which is magic, left over from his lunch, and with the help of the magic cake, the Pisky's able to escape. Dalor. And the golio haf o hagithesa Patrick o Quadriga gansi gerans win in Resruth. Eva virus dern fenester ha gweles castle Cambrai. Mamwin tasgwin inweddev, displan u. Grenny Parosi Cross Tamus Cambrai in ban. Tibian star inwedd tasgwin, imma ethomden ki a Gareth. Ki devis o ki tasgwin ha mamwin, win ha du, peran I hano. Mi avin Parosian Crost inwedd tasgwin, pandra vinta the ddibri Patrick. Pasti mo pleg, ha tessen saffron. Dalor, Grenny prena pastio in brace hakeis, and reina usorek in meth tasgwin. Hagima tessen saffron sula brace in cavasna, mamwin agewaris. Tasgwin eighth the brenna and pastio, haga gora in canstel vras. Enna, mamwin, tasgwin, Patrick, ha parent hebmar, eighth in fourth. Cerdd hier lower o, mis da o bos in air fresk. Hanta or diwetha and telu reidd rehedtha pen Cambrai. Ima naun bras ddim in meth Patrick. A ilini dibri agan crost a dhistuch. Heb mar in meth mamwin. Ha hi a huilas in ganstel rag cavos and pastioton. Patrick, neba vinus cramblawan carigi bras war dop an vre, a ddibris I pasti in uskis, haponia a his an hins trohan carig olifants. Hano coint u henna a dibus ef. Mamwin a leveris, bidwer, nara mus rebel nia ragortos oma. Dalar mamwin, mia vydd prederis. Business gone. Pint minuten diwetha, Patrick addri heddas an carrick olifants. O miras orthen carigi, eva vercias tol bichan had tawl hag am wofin pith essa inno. Enna itwth leith bichan. A irto o gweris, ma glenis vöv gans bolster cower Cambrai, had ni alave dianc. In meth Patrick, mes pragiruk bolster henna. Mia henwys am garrick ma carrick olifants a leveris am Pisky, mes nins yw olifants fydd ol del welydd, carrick mer gyris bolster yw, hag ef asgelo carrick gronic ervis, du saji ma pleg. Mes revras o fe in meth Patrick, ni alafi mors aberfeth in tol ma fihan. In meth an Pisky, rag ithesa Pisky Kernewek o trigus in tol. Na borth awer, mia il gul these bos biana der o fistri. Hag ad esempus, Patrick eighth ha bos munis. Lemin, eva alles slinkia in tol cool hepka letter. Pandra dalvin I wu lemin in meth Patrick, nebus onek. Wel, ima known bras ddim, ys nepeth y ddibri genes, ima esom ddim a fos Kernewek a nep sort. In Pocket Patrick says a tam Tesson saffron guesses wassa I grost. Hooray! Tesson saffron I Hwedhel alle Beres and Pisky. Grenny hi debris a gandau. Hawarnuk says a Patrick a sav rippy gerans win. Han Pisky a dref main gans minwarth effan ivjeth. Pleith sister a warfinnes tasgwin. Ninze is ta gillis marnos termin bear. Well, in me Patrick, Hwedhel here u. Is diwetha? Agus gwelys.